Happy Independence Day from the side of International Human Rights Council, me Advocate Sahiba Ahmed. Today is Independence Day and we all are busy with the hosting our national pride, national flag everywhere, every district, every state, even in our Lal Killa. Today is Independence Day and I want to appeal all my family member of International Human Rights Council and all the social activists, all the political leaders to know the meaning of 24 spokes which our Ashoka Chakra tell us and to adopt in our life to be a good human being. When we will be a good human being, then only we can be a good leader. But it's very unfortunate to tell that we people are only today busy with the hosting of our flag, but tomorrow we will forget what our flag exactly teach us and why we do host or we do celebrate our Independence Day. Actually, today's Independence Day, it make us remember that we are free, but are we free from inequalities? Are we free from beggars? Are we free from all the inequalities happening in the society? Corruption? Are we free from corruption? No. So, friends, it's my appeal. Today, I promise myself the more I can, I will follow what 24 spokes of Ashoka Chakra tell us to follow in our personal life. And it's my request and appeal to all the political leaders and social activists and all the aware people, all the bureaucrats, all the officers, all the doctors, all the nurses to follow 24 spokes which our national flag teaches and make us proud to be an Indian. 24 spokes of Ashoka Chakra, it's called Dharma Chakra. It teaches us 24 spokes. It's my request in YouTube you will get what are the 24 qualities of a human being to have in their own life. To be a good human being, they have to adopt. It's very strange that we are Indian, we are free, we are celebrating independence, but we don't know exactly what is our flag tell us or what flag teach us. This is, you can say, constitution like advice. In constitution, in Indian constitution also teaches us to be a good human being, means every equality, right of education, means all the right of human being. But friends, it's very sad and unfortunate to say today for some people, for some leader, constitution is a play of game only. They do only celebrate in the name of independence, but today they will celebrate, tomorrow they will forget, they will play with the power, they will play with their own interest. What exactly tricolor teaches us? It's very important to remember. We everybody know from our childhood, from school, from college, we got the lesson. Saffron color is the symbol of strength and courage of the country, and it also teaches us to dedicately leader, especially it teaches us and along with political leader, how to work for public dedicatedly, not for own interest, for self-interest. And pure, this white is the sign of purity, honesty and peace. Means one person, one leader should be pure, honest and maintaining peace. And green, it's the symbol of peace, faith, fertility, prosperity of the country. And above all, which today I'm going to tell you and asking you to follow you because we from childhood we draw within 1 second, 1 minute, you can say this is a national flag. And even I used to draw, today I draw this, remembering my childhood, today myself I draw it. And when I what 24 spokes of this Ashoka Chakra, main thing is that Ashoka Chakra, what it teaches us, how to be a good human being. It's called Dharma Chakra also. Without Dharma Chakra, we are not complete. So from every dharma says the same thing, to be a good human being. And to be a good human being, what we have to do exactly in our own personal life, how to be a good, how many characters, how to be a good human being, virtues of a human being, good human being. This tells by Ashoka Chakra. This is love. One should be lovable. Love, courage, patience, peaceful, goodness, faithful, selflessness, self-control, self-sacrifice, truthfulness, righteousness, justice, mercy, gratefulness, humanity, empathy, sympathy, spiritual knowledge, moral values, spiritual wisdom, the fear of the God, and faith. And Ashoka Chakra is the depiction of Dharma Chakra with 24 spokes, which also called wheel of the duty. This is our duty. This tells by this national flag. So we are proud to be Indian. It itself is like Quran, Gita, Bible, which teaches from. We get lesson from Quran, Gita, Bible. That thing teaches by our Ashoka Chakra. That is called Dharma Chakra. But very unfortunate, maximum people don't know what is Ashoka Chakra teaches us and what is Ashoka Chakra tell us to be a good human being, to be a good political leader. But it's my request, friends, on the eve of the 74th Independence Day, from today we will try to adopt all the qualities, 24 spokes of Ashoka Chakra in our life to change our society, country, as well as our world. Jai Hind, Jai Ahom, Happy Independence Day. Thank you.